Hello everyone, welcome back to the Milanos Secret Taste. Today we have the authentic Italian cookies flavored with lemon zest, accented with tangy orange zest, and cloaked in creamy egg yolks. These are the best for genuine and flavorful breakfasts and snacks. Natural and light, they are typical Sicilian biscuits made with ancient grains, ideal with tea, but can also be accompanied well as a dessert after dinner. So watch the video till end, cause I know you will be making these cookies as soon as you finish watching this video. Ingredients for 1 kilogram of biscuits: 500 grams flour, 250 grams butter, 4 yolks, 120 grams sugar, 1 pinch of salt, zest of an orange, zest of 1 lemon, powdered sugar, optional. The ingredients are tangy, right? So are the biscuits will be. But before we move on to make these yummy appetizers, you have to subscribe the channel if you are new on it and hit the bell icon to get post notifications. Let's get started with the method. Step 1. In a bowl, put the flour and the butter into small pieces. Stir with your fingertips until all the butter is mixed with the flour and the mixture is sandy. Step 2. At that point, add the sugar, a pinch of salt, and mix again. Step 3. Now divide all the mixture into 2 different bowls. In one, add 2 egg yolks and the orange zest. In the other, the 2 egg yolks and lemon zest. Attention: when scratching the citrus peel, you must be delicate and absolutely must not scratch the white part because it is bitter. Always mix well with your fingertips and knead quickly until the dough is compact enough to take it out of the bowl. Finish kneading, create a loaf, cover it with cling film, and put it in the fridge for at least half an hour. Step 4. Resume the dough. Roll it out with a rolling pin and 2 sticks to help define the thickness of the short crust pastry. Cut the biscuits and bake them at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Excellent with a nice fresh squeezed orange and lemon juice. That's it, the lovely biscuits are ready to grab on. Time for some history now. Citrus fruits today are an essential part of Sicilian culture, but it was not always so. Learn how these highly prized fruits came to the island and how the locals made them their own. How citrus fruits arrived in Italy. Citrus fruits were brought to Italy with the Arab invasion around 850 AD. The country possesses a warm climate with mild winters and wind, the perfect conditions for large-scale cultivation of these fruit. At first, only bitter and yellow oranges were grown, though over time the sweeter and red varieties were also developed. Between the 18th and 19th centuries, Sicily became a strategic location for the cultivation and business of selling citrus fruit, as well as the global benchmark for the production of oranges. That's all for today, guys. Try the recipe and tell us your views in the comments. Also like and share the video. We will come up next with more interesting recipes that quick and easy to prepare. Thanks for watching.